Welcome to Beacon International. This video will show you how to access your My Account area. There are 3 easy ways to access this. You can click My Account in the top right area of the header. You can also hover over Resources in the navigation menu and select the My Account link on the left-hand side. You can also scroll down to the footer area where you will find the My Account links. Alternatively, you can go directly to the My Account page by typing in the URL beaconinternational.co.uk/my-account. Here you will enter your account details, which will consist of your username or email address, and then your password. Select the Remember Me checkbox if you'd like to stay logged in. If you've forgotten your password, simply click Lost Your Password and follow the instructions to reset it. You are now logged in to your account. From here, you can explore all the features by clicking on the individual cards in the dashboard area. You can also click the links in the menu on the left-hand side of the page. You can also log out with the link in the menu or continue to browse the Beacon website and products.